What's up? What's up? Oh, welcome to another episode of Tiger Outdoors. I'm Jared. Today we're at Chickamauga Dam. I'm trying to be careful going down these steps. I've only got two rods, a little micro trap and a Strike King red eye shad. I think it was a 1/4 ounce, might be a half, and a gizzard shad color. We're gonna see what we can catch, and stay tuned. At the end of the video, we're gonna announce the winner of the giveaway for the Bass Pro gift card giveaway. Stay tuned. Nope. I will say this thing has some sharp hooks. Sharp hooks are a good thing when you're catching fish, bad when they're hooking you in your clothes. And the way I wrap that, well, you saw me wrap that, helps it keep from getting tangled up during transport. And of course I brought Old Faithful. Little cream lures, micro rattle trap, chrome with blue back and a yellow spot on the side. That's caught so many fish. And I'll tell you a tip when you're fishing below a dam. Get the TVA lake info. Mine happens to open up to Chickamauga Dam. It'll tell you how many generators they're putting out or running, and the water output for the hour, each hour. Right now they're putting out averaging 13,500 cubic feet a second. Local weather. So if you're in the TVA lake area, make sure you have this app on your phone. It's a free app. It'll tell you that way you know how many generators they're going to run and the expected water output for the day and how much they're putting out at that time, because that helps a lot of times. Yes. Oh, big smallie. Woo! Oh, big smallie. Woo! I'll be still and I'll pick you up. Woo! Can I get you to take a picture for me? Just that white button over here.
You can see the screen.
I'm sure.
I pressed it twice, so you should have one.
Okay.
Look at it and see if you got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
What was you using?
Strike King Red Eye Shad in a shad color.
Rattle bait?
Rattle trap, yeah. Yeah, I think he's the one we saw flopping out there.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, that bait right there.
Okay.
And he hit it up against the bank too. I forgot my towel. Oh, and his fin got me. Trying to steal a bass. What you thinking? What you thinking, Willis? What you thinking? If it was a bluegill, I'd give it to you.
I had to go outside and practice with it.
That's what I tell people.
Yeah, so
Go out, get a little bell sinker that has that little like swivel-like thing on top of it.
yeah, I know what you're talking about.
And because that'll allow the sinker to roll without twisting your line as much. And go out in the yard and practice.
That's all I had to do.
That's what I keep telling my grandfather. He's like, I wish I could cast like you. I'm like, well, get your practice lure and go out in the yard.
As long as you put your thumb on there before it hit,
Yeah.
you good. So, but I don't had it tangle up on me as I'm casting out. And, you know what I'm saying?
The-
It ain't hit yet.
Well, that's probably this this drag right here. That's your tension,
Yeah.
and that'll that's when it's taken off. Then you've got your centrifugal drag
See, this one
that when it
old.
slows.
This lady, I know
When I learned, I was using an old Ambassador 5000, Abu Garcia Ambassador. Oh yeah, no, yeah. Well, it's still got the same settings on it. It's got your tension drag right here. Tension.
I was down there trying to catch them catfish with it.
Yeah.
That's why I put that big old click on.
Oh, I understand. I get it. Okay. But one tip, when you go to when it drops, tighten your drag up right here, that little tension drag.
Yeah.
See, it doesn't move. And back it off until it just slowly drops. And you see when
it won't even twist up.
And it's not twisting right there.
You did that at first before you.
Oh, I know.
There, it would tighten it up.
And then so you can practice with it right there, and then as you get more efficient with it, you can loosen it up, because it's set where even right now it's still not,
still ain't even knotting up.
and I didn't even touch it.
That shit would have knotted up on me so fast.
So that's so yeah, that's your so that's yeah, you can loosen it up a little bit, and that one was on me. I'm actually what's ironic is I'm actually recording, so I can actually put this in the video as well. So I'm casting underhand, so it's, but yeah, so you're right there. Just take that out in the yard and practice with it as it is. And then as you get more efficient with it and get more comfortable with it, then you can start backing it off. Let me get over here. And start getting further out. It wasn't a good day for fishing. We only caught the one smallmouth. Give you some good advice on how to use a bait caster. Basics. That's good basics on how to use a bait caster, and then get out in the yard and practice and get more efficient with it. I told him use some medical tape and wrap it around the spool, and it's easier to put it on if you take the actual spool off and put some, get like 15-20 yards extra of line, and 15 yards, 10-15 yards extra line from what you're used to casting. Pull that off, put the tape on there, and then reel the line back on, and the tape will keep it from backlashing. And then as you get more efficient, move the tape further back so you're casting more line. And the moment y'all been waiting for, the winner of the Bass Pro gift card is Bassin'. Live bait can be hard to beat. It's fun to use too. Catch all kind of stuff. So here's his comment. I'll get in touch with you. God bless. We're out.